right.
It was my tire.
There we go. Then we'll be fixing the roadside flat. We'll be reaming first.
Well, it's not steel belted, so you don't have to do very much with it. I just wanted to make sure I knew the angle of the puncture, you know, if it's like this or like this.
It's like a surgeon with an MRI before he operates.
You measure that?
It's all up here in this head.
Get the Barnes liquid with you?
Oh, the leak seeker?
Yeah.
You mean when it's done? No, I don't carry that anymore.
The top, he's so good he doesn't need to check his work. Top secret compound from the Barnes lab.
You know what, I like that. I don't think we need another one. If we do, we'll do it later, but that was nice.
Is that the Barnes special cement?
That's the special cement. Little tap with the compressor and a few minutes and we'll be back in gear.
That's all we'll do for now.
Alrighty.
Go ahead and put the air to it. We'll get it up and we'll check it in a little while.
Sounds good.
There
now?
Yep.
Yep. Thank you, Doctor.
You're very welcome.
Do you accept credit cards? Or?
I'm going to send this to Rick Cole so he'll help me with my run flat thing. I'll show him what we go through when we're riding. Rick Cole, this was for you.
And look how good Tim looks. And I'm the ugly mug behind the camera. I even have the elapsed time, you know, 2 minutes and 9 seconds. From dead flat to ready to roll. That's probably good, isn't it? Nope. Got plenty of air in there?
You like it?